Welcome to the start of something exciting, a journey towards financial freedom. Imagine waking up each day knowing you're on a path to secure your financial future, free from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. It's not just a dream, it's a goal we can achieve together through simple, actionable steps. In this series, 18 Rules of Money, we'll uncover the secrets to building wealth, smart spending, and making your money work for you. From the power of paying yourself first to the magic of compound interest, each chapter is packed with easy-to-follow advice, real-life examples, and tips that anyone can implement, regardless of their financial starting point. But this is more than just a guide, it's a call to action. We'll challenge the way you think about money, help you break free from bad financial habits, and equip you with the tools to take control of your financial destiny. So, are you ready to change your life? Let's dive in and discover how to turn your financial dreams into reality, one step at a time. Welcome aboard. Chapter 1, Introduction to Financial Empowerment. Hey there! Let me start with something that might surprise you. I always pay myself first. No, it's not about being self-centered. It's about ensuring my future is secure. Here's the deal. Before I pay any bills or buy anything, I set aside a portion of my income. Think of it as investing in your future self. Warren Buffett, the investment guru, once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This simple habit is your first step towards financial empowerment. Now, you might wonder, how much should you save? The answer varies, but starting with 10% of your income is a good rule of thumb. If that sounds tough, remember, it's about making small changes. Skip that extra coffee or dine out less often. It's these little savings that add up over time. Chapter 2, The Magic of Growing Money. Did you know that Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world? He said, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Here's the scoop. Compound interest means you earn interest on your interest. It's like planting a tree. First, you see a tiny sapling, your initial investment. Then, as it grows, it sprouts more branches, your interest, which in turn grow their own leaves. Interest on your interest. Let's break it down. Say you save $100 and it earns 5% interest annually. Next year, you're not just earning interest on the original $100 but on $105. Over 20 years, that $100 can grow to over $265 without you adding a single penny more. The key is to start early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Chapter 3, The Safety Net Everyone Needs. Life is full of surprises, not all of them pleasant. This is where an emergency fund comes into play. It's your financial safety net for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Without it, you might have to use a credit card and pay high interest. Experts recommend saving 3-6 months' worth of living expenses. It sounds daunting, but you can start small. Even $20 a week adds up. Think of your emergency fund as peace of mind in your bank account. It's there, so you don't have to worry about every little hiccup life throws your way. According to a Federal Reserve report, 40% of Americans wouldn't be able to cover a $400 emergency expense without borrowing. That's a wake-up call for all of us to start building our safety nets now. Chapter 4, Navigating Through Debt. Debt is like a double-edged sword. It can help you in times of need but can also drag you down if you're not careful. Did you know that the average credit card interest rate is around 20%? That's a hefty price to pay for convenience. The key to managing debt is understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage, can be an investment in your future. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can cripple your financial health. One strategy is to tackle high-interest debt first. It's called the avalanche method. You pay off debts with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on the others. This method can save you a lot of money in interest over time. Another approach is the snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first. It's more about the psychological wins that motivate you to keep going. Chapter 5, Investing in Assets, Not Liabilities. Here's a simple truth. The rich invest in assets, not liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket, like a rental property or stocks. A liability takes money out, like a new car that loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, emphasizes this distinction as the cornerstone of wealth building. Investing in assets might seem daunting, but it's about starting small. You don't need a fortune to invest in the stock market. Thanks to technology, you can start with a few dollars through apps that allow fractional investing. The idea is to get your money working for you, rather than the other way around. Chapter 6. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income is risky. It's like having only one key to all the doors in your life. What if you lose it? This is why having multiple income streams is crucial. Did you know that the average millionaire has 7 income streams? This could include a full-time job, a side business, investment income, and more. Starting a side hustle is one way to diversify your income. It could be something you're passionate about or a skill you can monetize. The internet has made it easier than ever to start a business with minimal upfront costs. You could also consider investing in real estate or the stock market to generate passive income. Chapter 7. Understand your tax obligations. Taxes can seem like a maze, but navigating them wisely can save you a lot of money. Did you know, for instance, that the IRS reports that millions of taxpayers overpay their taxes each year because they fail to claim all the deductions and credits they're entitled to? That's like leaving free money on the table. Understanding your tax bracket, deductions, and credits can significantly reduce your tax liability. One strategy is to maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or an IRA. These contributions can lower your taxable income. Also, keep an eye out for deductions like charitable donations or home mortgage interest that can reduce your tax bill. Tax software or a professional can help you identify these opportunities. Chapter 8. Crafting your financial blueprint. Setting financial goals without a plan is like sailing without a compass. You need a clear, achievable roadmap. Start by setting short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or retiring comfortably, your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Creating a budget is your first step. It's your financial blueprint that guides your spending and saving decisions. Every dollar should have a purpose, whether it's going towards savings, debt repayment, or living expenses. Tools and apps can help track your spending and keep you accountable. Chapter 9. Live below your means. Living below your means is not about deprivation, it's about making smart choices. It's the secret sauce to financial success. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, is known for his frugal lifestyle despite his billions. He once said, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need." The key is differentiating between wants and needs. Needs are essentials like food, shelter, and transportation. Wants are everything else. Prioritizing your spending on needs while being mindful of your wants can significantly impact your financial health. Chapter 10. Educate yourself on financial matters. Becoming financially savvy is not something that happens overnight. It's a journey of continuous learning. Did you know that, according to a survey by the National Financial Educators Council, the lack of financial knowledge cost Americans more than $295 billion in 2020 alone? This highlights the critical need for financial education. One strategy is to read at least one financial book or article every month. Books like The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey or The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley offer timeless advice on building wealth. Additionally, following financial news and listening to podcasts can keep you updated on economic trends and investment strategies. Chapter 11. Utilize the envelope system for budgeting. The envelope system is a tried and true method for managing your money. It's as simple as it sounds. You use envelopes to allocate cash for different spending categories. Once an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. This tactile approach makes it easier to see where your money is going and resist overspending. Dave Ramsey, a proponent of this method, argues that using cash makes you more mindful of your spending compared to swiping a card. The physical act of handing over cash can make you think twice about a purchase. Starting with categories like groceries, dining out, and entertainment can help you gain control over your discretionary spending. Chapter 12. Practice conscious spending. Conscious spending is about making your money align with your values and goals. It's asking yourself, is this purchase going to bring me closer to my financial goals? Before making any significant purchase, I like to wait 24 hours. This cooling off period helps differentiate between impulse buys and genuinely needed items. A study by the University of Cambridge found that our spending habits are often formed by the age of 7. This means that changing these habits requires mindful effort. By practicing conscious spending, you're not just saving money, you're also cultivating a healthier relationship with it. Chapter 13. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Your financial plan isn't set in stone, it's a living document that should evolve as your life changes. Did you know that a study by Charles Schwab showed that people who have a written financial plan feel more confident and report more success managing money, savings, and investments? That's the power of having a plan and updating it regularly. One strategy is to schedule a financial review every 6 months. Use this time to assess your progress towards your goals, adjust your budget, and rethink your investments. Life events like a new job, marriage, or the birth of a child can significantly impact your financial situation. Chapter 14. Protect your credit score. A good credit score can open doors to better interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you thousands of dollars over a lifetime. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, a difference of just 100 points on your credit score can cost or save you $40,000 on a 30-year mortgage. That's a staggering amount of money. Paying your bills on time is the most crucial factor in maintaining a good credit score. Even a single late payment can hurt your score. Additionally, keep your credit card balances low and only open new credit accounts when necessary. These actions show lenders that you're a responsible borrower. Chapter 15. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself might be the most profitable investment you'll ever make. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, once said, "The most important investment you can make is in yourself." This can mean spending money on education, skill development, or even your health. The returns on investing in your education and skills can far exceed those of any stock or real estate investment. For example, learning a new skill or earning a certification can lead to a higher salary or better job opportunities. Similarly, investing in your health can reduce medical costs in the future and improve your quality of life. Chapter 16. Use leverage carefully. Leverage can be a powerful tool in building wealth, but it must be used wisely. It's essentially using borrowed money to increase the potential return of an investment. However, while leverage can amplify your gains, it can also magnify your losses. According to a study by the National Bureau of Economic Research, misuse of leverage is one of the leading causes of financial distress for individual investors. One key strategy is to only use leverage when you have a clear understanding of the risks involved. For instance, taking out a mortgage to buy a property that generates rental income can be a smart use of leverage. The income can cover the loan payments and potentially generate profit. However, using a high-interest loan to invest in volatile stocks could be disastrous if the market turns. Chapter 17. Automate your finances. Automating your finances can simplify your life and help ensure you stay on track with your financial goals. A study by the American Psychological Association found that making decisions about where to allocate money can lead to decision fatigue, which can hinder our ability to make good financial choices. Automating savings, investments, and bill payments can reduce this burden. Start by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts right after payday. This ensures you pay yourself first. Also, automate your bill payments to avoid late fees and protect your credit score. The beauty of automation is that it makes saving and paying bills effortless. Chapter 18. Adopt a wealth mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your financial success. A wealth mindset isn't just about aspiring to be rich, it's about believing in your ability to achieve financial freedom and making informed decisions to make it happen. Studies have shown that individuals with a positive financial outlook are more likely to save money, invest wisely, and avoid debt. Cultivate a wealth mindset by focusing on opportunities rather than obstacles. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," ask yourself, "How can I afford it?" This shift in thinking opens up possibilities for creative problem-solving and financial growth.